Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your Likee ID name. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I've already installed Likee app from Play Store. You can also get it through App Store or Play Store, and simply after getting it, tap on it to open it. You can see that I have been logged into my own profile homepage, and how do I know it? By simply tapping on Me option on the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see this is my current profile picture with a profile name that is a username of alexagil57. So to change my Likee ID name, I'm going to tap on edit option just next to my profile picture. You can see I have an option of changing my name, my Likee ID, bio, birthday, gender, location and more. I'm going to tap on Likee ID since I'm going to change it just below name. So I do have an option of keeping a very new Likee ID name. I'm going to make it more subtle with a next name, alright? So I'm going to keep it Kristen Evans. So when I'm done with it, I'm going to tap on save option just below here. You can see that it has been saved successfully. That means my Likee ID has been changed from alexagil57 to Christine Evans57. So this is how you do it. This is how you change your Likee ID name. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.